Hey, what's going on, my people? Olayinka Taiwo is here again. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to create image with Microsoft Bing, and it is free. It's not like Midjourney that we are paying, like Midjourney, like Dull Hill. Although this one is powered by Dull Hill or any other one. So let's just go to Google, type Bing image creator, then you click on it. The first one you said, so it said now you can create image. It said bing.com/create. So what you do is now, this is the prompt where you put what you want to do. So let's say create a beautiful African lady in blue suit and white shirt. Create a beautiful, let's say a photorealistic beautiful photorealistic portrait of a beautiful African lady in blue suit and white shirt. Just click on create. Boom. And in a few seconds we'll get he'll give us four. Give us four. You see? Can you see? Yeah, but it's not, maybe because it's free. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, this one is like painting. It's not like the one I'm using although that is a paid version I'm using to teach my students. Okay, let's do another one. We will give you 4, but it's free. Now let's do another one. Let's say create this African village with children in veranda. You can include whatever with trees and palm trees. In a sunny day. So just great. I pray my artist friends will not lose their job to this thing. They can take a lot of time to do painting, but this one will do it for us in how many minutes now? Within, you see? You see? See? So this one you can sell online, print it on Canva and sell them online. Yeah, so this is how to create image with Bing. You can try as many things as possible. You just let your imagination run wide. You see. So now, if you want to know more about this, you can please follow me, like, and subscribe to my please. Okay. If you want to know more about this, because I'll be releasing this video every day, releasing this kind of video every day, so just follow me. And if you want to be part, please follow me, because I'll be releasing this kind of video every day. Subscribe to my channel. Then also, if you want to join my masterclass, it's very affordable. You can click the link below. Thank you.